Once upon a time, there lived a fairy named Emma. She was amazing, but she also had a disease. But she cried every night in bed, but ever since then, she became better and better. She became better, and she has the cure to all the disease all the fairies have. She became the magical princess of the world, and everyone loved her. The end. Like the story, didn't you?
Yeah. I think I know how to go to bed now because of that nice story you made me.
Yes.
I'll keep it right here.
Now, honey, I think it's time for us to go to bed as well.
Oh. But it's already morning, I think.
Yeah, we slept kind of late. We were through a lot.
Well, I gotta go to work.
Okay, bye, Daddy.
I'll send her to school.
Okay. Oh, and also, I'll be walking to work today.
Okay.
Open the door, Daddy.
Wait, never mind.
Wait, I'll send you to school. We should start heading to school.
I'll drive you.
I'll lock the door.
I'll drive
Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Wait.
I wanna get on this place. Yay.
Make sure you're safe up there.
Put on your seatbelts.
Yeah, there's a seatbelt up here, so I'm gonna be fine.
Hope you are. With that disease, I don't think you can. I don't think you can, like, smell a lot of things.
Well, I like in the future looking up, and
I hope you like the fairy.
Comes.
I hope you like the fairy Emma, who had the cure for all the diseases, even yours.
Thank you, Daddy. I love that book.
You're gonna find one cure to your disease one day, honey.
I'm gonna be a book storyteller. I'm gonna make books like you, Daddy.
Okay.
My nose.
Close the door.
I think while I was driving, I hit my nose on the steering wheel.
Sorry.
I'm gonna wear my blue backpack. I got my books, my papers. Let me see if I get anything.
Come on.
Else.
Okay.
My school.
Was I supposed to hop out?
My school iPad, my paper.
Oh, wait, where do I walk? At the post office?
My favorite teddy
Wait,
bear.
that's the post office?
Yeah.
I thought that was a police station.
Don't you know that the police station is in the middle of the center of town?
I thought that was a police station. I was literally. So I drove here for no reason.
And I got my umbrella. She's gonna be
Get out.
Bye, honey. I'm gonna change into my uniform. Oh my god. He looks dangerous. So, whee! Huh? Whoa, I actually gotta view the place. Pretty interesting, but I don't have to do that right now.
Fine, I'll let you out. I have the green card.
Now put your hands
Fine.
behind your back where I can see them. Okay, you're coming to this station. Come on, follow me.
It's the worst day to
And you're gonna have to walk there. I'm not driving you.
And also, I know all about your daughter's curse.
What?
I know all about her disease. I know all about your husband. I know all about everyone. I know that your mom left you when you were 5.
How do you know that? That was how do you know that?
I know your daughter got her disease when she was 2.
How do you know that?
And I know your daughter's 5 years old now.
How do you know all of that? Were you spying on the whole town? Were you spying on us?
And I know that, and you should know, I took your husband.
What?
And I have the keys to the handcuffs.
Hey!
Mommy, we have to get him.
Sweetie, I'll carry you.
No, I'm taking your daughter too.
No!
Take me.
No. I'm gonna get get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh my God, I'm in another car. He's running away.
Thank you, Mr. Police. I've also got all the policemen away from you.
Get over there. I can't get off. I'm so stuck. He's already ran away. Hey, we're even going farther. Where's this man going? I can't find him. Oh my God, I need to get back home. This is crazy.
I wanna cry. I do. I cry.
Where's my house? Where's my house?
Get out! I will pick you. Poor daughter. As well for her. If you don't come here now, I'll crush her brain with an axe.
What? I'm gonna come here. But he put a fence around his house.
Instead, I'll shoot her brain with a gun.
Hey, no, help. What is wrong with my
Would
dude?
work. 3 guns, perhaps.
Get out of here. You don't hurt my
Come
daughter.
here, you little kid. Or else I'll shoot you right now.
No, I'm sorry.
Little kid, you can't hack that. It's specifically for your mother.
Huh?
You know, Missy. Bro. Who is he? What is he doing here? What is he doing here?
Who is this?
For real.
Do you know him?
For real. No, I do not know him.
What's going on?
I do not know him. What is he doing? Come here. I have to unban you. For real. Unban you. Let's restart, please.
The window was a good way.
Oh! She found a way in.
Where's my daughter?
That's
Sweetie.
it. I will blow a bomb on her. But you have to choose left or right.
I choose left.
You choose left. Well, I suppose you both die.
No!